In the grand theater of politics, where power and influence intertwine, the echoes of ancient Rome reverberate through the ages. Among the many strategies employed by leaders to maintain control and sway public opinion, one tactic stands out for its enduring relevance: the bread and circus approach. Originating in the Roman Empire, this method of distraction through entertainment and appeasement of the masses has found a new stage in contemporary politics. The concept of bread and circus encapsulates the idea of providing food, bread, and entertainment, circuses, games, and other spectacles, to the populace in order to divert their attention from pressing issues and grievances. In ancient Rome, emperors and rulers utilized lavish public displays, gladiatorial games, and free distributions of food to pacify the restless masses and maintain social order. By keeping the populace preoccupied with entertainment and satiating their basic needs, those in power could deflect attention from political corruption, economic inequality, and other systemic issues plaguing society. Drawing parallels to present-day politics, it's evident that the bread and circus tactic remains alive and well in the modern era. While the forms of entertainment and means of distraction have evolved with technological advancements, the underlying principle remains the same: keep the people entertained and complacent to prevent widespread discontent and dissent. Let us explore the concept by going back to Rome. The phrase is often attributed to the Roman satirical poet Juvenal, who lived during the 1st and 2nd centuries AD. Juvenal used the term panem et circenses in his Satire Sex, Satire 10, to critique the Roman political establishment and its manipulation of the populace through the provision of food and entertainment. Juvenal's satire, written around 100 AD, laments the decline of Roman society and the erosion of civic virtues. In it, he criticizes the Roman people for their apathy and willingness to trade their political freedoms for material comforts and distractions. Does this sound familiar? Furthermore, the phrase panem et circenses encapsulates Juvenal's critique of the Roman elite's strategy of keeping the population docile and content through the distribution of free bread, panem, and the staging of elaborate public spectacles, circenses. While Juvenal is often credited with popularizing the phrase, the underlying concept of using material provisions and entertainment to pacify the populace predates his writings. It reflects a broader understanding of political manipulation and social control in ancient Rome, where rulers employed various means to maintain stability and secure popular support. One striking parallel can be observed in the realm of mass media and entertainment. Television, social media, and streaming platforms have become the modern-day circuses, captivating audiences with an endless array of content ranging from reality shows and celebrity gossip to sports events and viral memes. Political leaders and media moguls alike understand the power of captivating the public's attention with sensationalist news coverage, celebrity scandals, and divisive rhetoric, effectively diverting attention from substantive issues and fostering a culture of apathy and superficiality. Furthermore, the provision of basic necessities such as food and shelter, while crucial for societal well-being, can also be wielded as tools of manipulation and control. In contemporary politics, promises of economic prosperity, welfare programs, and stimulus packages are often used by politicians to garner support and maintain popularity among voters. However, the underlying socioeconomic inequalities and systemic injustices persist, masked by the illusion of progress and prosperity. The bread and circus tactic also extends to the realm of international relations and diplomacy, where distractions and spectacles are used to shift focus away from geopolitical tensions and conflicts. Military parades, Diplomatic summits and high-profile international events serve as elaborate displays of power and prestige, designed to project strength and distract from underlying diplomatic failures or human rights abuses. Moreover, the rise of populist leaders and demagogues in various parts of the world underscores the effectiveness of the bread and circus tactic in manipulating public sentiment and consolidating power. If you made it to the latter stages of this video, keep this in mind. The bread and circus distractive tactic, born in the arenas and amphitheaters of ancient Rome, continues to exert its influence in the complex and interconnected world of modern politics. While the forms and manifestations may have evolved, the underlying principle remains unchanged, diverting attention, appeasing the masses, and maintaining control. As citizens of democratic societies, it is incumbent upon us to remain vigilant, critically analyze the narratives presented to us, and hold our leaders accountable for their actions and policies. Only then can we hope to transcend the spectacle and strive towards a more equitable and just society.